So it's a hot day and we have some cold rice left over, and we have a lot of bits of things which are called banchan in Korean. That's Korean side dishes. So I decided to knock out a bunch of different Maki Rolls, Korean style kind of sandwiches. So I have 4 different kinds and I'll show you what's in them. So the first one that I made is, let's see, I have to actually open it to remember. So the common denominators are the rice and avocado. So this is romaine lettuce, ham, a little bit of mayonnaise, avocado, and a ham sushi roll. One thing to remember as the rolls are resting, you want to leave them laying down on the seam or the end of the nori sheet so that it seals up like a little nice envelope. This one has, again, rice, avocado, and it also has a braised meat. It has marinated pepper leaves and lettuce. I think that's about it. This one is one of my favorites. We fried fish last night, so there was some fish left over. The other day I made carrots with a little bit of allspice. So there's fish, the tartar sauce, which is mayonnaise and cucumber, avocado, and yeah, the halibut, which is right here in the center. So it's a good way to use up leftover disparate ingredients. I'm not actually gonna cut those. It's a combo of a bunch of different stuff. There's braised beef. There's a carrot that was also braised, like a whole carrot. That's that thing. There's pickled cucumbers, which have spicy chili sauce, and a piece of ham, and some more avocado. So each combination makes a little different piece of artwork for these little round morsels. And the end pieces usually are the most dramatic.